Vali and Sugriva are renowned figures in ancient Indian mythology, celebrated for their extraordinary strength and unwavering courage. Born to the same royal lineage, the brothers shared a deep and inseparable bond from an early age. Their unity was forged through countless adventures and challenges, each relying on the other for support and guidance. Together, they ruled the kingdom of Kishkinda, earning the respect and admiration of their people. The trust and loyalty between Vali and Sugriva became the foundation of their early successes, setting them apart as legendary allies. Their story begins with this powerful connection, a brotherhood that would soon be tested by fate. The relationship between Vali and Sugriva was once marked by deep brotherly affection and mutual respect. However, a pivotal conflict emerged, rooted in misunderstandings and miscommunication. When Vali was trapped in a cave during a battle, Sugriva, believing his brother to be dead, sealed the entrance to protect himself and their kingdom. Vali later escaped and, feeling betrayed, accused Sugriva of treachery. Harsh words were exchanged and mistrust grew, ultimately fracturing their bond. This rift not only separated the brothers but also set the stage for further turmoil within their kingdom. The conflict between Vali and Sugriva serves as a powerful example of how misunderstandings can escalate, leading to lasting consequences. The feud between the rival factions had far-reaching consequences, dramatically altering the balance of power. Rama's involvement introduced a new dynamic as his reputation and influence compelled other leaders to reconsider their allegiances. Former allies found themselves at odds, and new alliances emerged in response to the shifting landscape. The conflict not only intensified hostilities but also led to unexpected collaborations among previously opposed groups. As trust eroded, strategic decisions became more complex, with each side seeking to outmaneuver the other. Ultimately, the feud reshaped the political and social order, leaving lasting effects on the region's stability. The fractured bond between Vali and Sugriva left a profound mark on their kingdom's history, shaping the destinies of those around them. Their story serves as a powerful reminder of how mistrust and poor communication can unravel even the strongest relationships. The consequences of their rivalry extended far beyond personal loss, affecting alliances and the stability of their realm. Through their experiences, we learn that effective leadership requires not only strength but also empathy and open dialogue. Trust, once broken, is difficult to rebuild, and its absence can lead to lasting discord. Ultimately, the tale of Vali and Sugriva encourages us to value honesty and understanding in our own relationships, both personal and professional.